Now I want to show you a wardrobe with sliding doors. We click here and this wardrobe appears. Let's give it a proper size. 2300 width, height 2750, let's say, and 650. Personally, to be honest, I really love that the wardrobe is excellent for clothes and other items and so on. If you have the opportunity, in my opinion, my advice is to set the depth to 650 for optimal storage, especially if it has sliding doors. Now we have clients. It becomes 2750 and 650. So we got the dimensions we wanted. And now what we do is go into the divider and again, break the wardrobe down vertically and horizontally in the wardrobe. This gives us 750. Then we will add a vertical division. And here we will also add a vertical division. Fire, 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 fire. You will get such a wardrobe. Then what do we do next? What is our next action? We have a concept of a module here, but I clicked on the bound tour and said yes, and you see it immediately breaks down into modules. Here, into 4 modules. Then, what do we do? After that, if we want, we can make it so that on each module, we can, for example, it is completely removed. But if I will show you now, if I break it down here again, then I will take it back to the module. Do you see? And that's why, so that this doesn't happen, I will go back in here and remove this module. Let's remove this module with Ctrl-Z. And what we do is we have a placer wardrobe that becomes here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can do whatever you want in each cell. For example, if I go in here now, and here it comes out, I am now clicking the right button and breaking it down vertically. It will not break down on the module anymore. You see why? We work like this here. And here too, I can do it like this. Break the spam like this. Then go in here at the bottom. And what are we doing here? I enter here and I can do it like this, in this manner. I can also do it like this, or break it evenly, vertically, yes, and here break it horizontally as well. I roughly say it like this and break it vertically here, and that's it. We finish with this. I can also do it here, of course, like this. Like this, I go here and here, then I will break this vertically. And that's it. Well, this is the kind of cabinet we got. But what else are we doing here? If we click on the cabinet comes up again, and what do we have here? A slider. We enter this slider, and what does it mean? We click on CS and then yes, and you see what we got. This is a slider, which means if we enter here the slider system, and we get this Cilicia. This is the Salish system. Then we have, not that, we have Lucido. For example, if I will now click on the beams, it doesn't switch to this system. If we now, well, there are a lot of these options. What do you want? Like doors to the right or left, so that this opening is there. And you can check all of this. You can see what options and functions these doors have. Let's say this slider. Again, we will go into the napkin and set it up like this. And look at what we got here. Then I enter L. Click on the legs and say yes. And what did we get? These legs are incorrect here, but we did it on purpose. So let's make these legs for this wardrobe. For such a heavy wardrobe where we take, so the legs, options for legs, You see right here, I recommend this type of leg, or this one, but this leg is very weak, and this is a very good leg. This is an Italian leg, and it is very durable. According to the documentation, it can support 170 kilos individual position of the leg. You see, it has already laid on the rail. And here, let's say 45 millimeter, and you see it has moved away from the rail. And here too, I recommend moving about 35 millimeter away, because at the back, we will have the backrest, so it doesn't interfere with adjusting these legs. This Italian leg, it adjusts my legs. 4 legs here are definitely not enough. We need to add 4 more. How many do we have here? 8. That makes 12 pieces. We add 2 here, 2 here. We have 6 here. No, 8, 4, 12. Well, the number of legs is here, and we add this leg, and everything is good here. Yes, you see how it is here. And there is also this position of the legs, yes, and we have this window, where you can move all the legs, except for these. Except for the outer legs, you can still move. These outer legs must be here because they are special legs, and they have... If we go back to the leg now, I will show you visually what they have. This little tooth goes into the side and fits snugly, and the leg itself lifts. When it is released or raised, it lifts both the side and the bottom together. So this is a very good leg. Other companies have them too. And for such a heavy cabinet, it is essential to use quality, durable legs that are adjustable. Why? Because thanks to these legs, we can assemble it in sections. This cabinet, we can place this bottom section, of course, without the door, in its place, and place a hand tool level on the bottom of the cabinet, and thanks to these legs, we will level it in both horizontal and vertical positions. All lower modules, if there is any slope, the doors will not close or will slide away, or when you open them, they will immediately run to one side, and that is not good. Therefore, these legs allow you to adjust the heavy cabinets from above, as you won't be able to climb in here and adjust because there is only about 65-70 millimeters of space left for such hardware, and your hand won't fit to adjust any tight leg. So, there should be an adjustable leg like this. If, for example, there is a partition here and it rests on the leg, then this leg needs to be moved a little over there. Just now, I will also see how it all works. Well, 150, for example. Yes, you see it moves here like this, and that's it. I think I have shown you everything. I will also show you how our animation works. Look, enjoy. So, you can place all the placers that we have right here. This is our system. Here is the cabinet. It is a lying cabinet. How it works, you have seen, right? That's it. I am finishing this video. And you can also watch other videos where you will need placers and other things that you can check out.